Orai Pastor Guru Hewega. Kai ni muhore yo Hewega. Modikafu wakwa Bishop Mothe, my Reverend Mwangizakayo, Reverend Mirugi, my good bro, Dagitari Ann, nimwitaga Apostle, mundu akikiria maritwa ukama kubaini mugetha rimwe harabu tiko kihigwo kufanga Pastor Doctor, nimwitaga Apostle, mundu witwa Pastor Bull, my chairman Baby Githae, mundu witwa Karakwa, my good friend. Goni you know the way they were there do we got my family baby top modo to hold the Iganake and Regimatiwe, our history with Modoni and all of you. Director of our Blue Springs, Modusho Wagasoke, Ugangate, with Ogadeke. In short, all protocols observed. I have a history, but we have a history. Some of you, we have walked together on a Kamigimon. Nayofino. On very serious friends. Although I also believe in being serious when it comes to a friend. Dineo na diotereve, dida kumikia mundu diotereve. Na maisha mana mako mwa vedoire, dide shida, waku ngenge, kana quality. Number 2, dida sokeja mundu kujiri tioduni. I have never fought with anyone. So I value you so much. Nagate yagai muno ura watu mijetumenyani. Some of you nejukite kwanyu wekwega na kana wiko. Etigo nejukite na kugini kura muno kwadu agite kugweta ha. Wasa. Kugura imudi afiu. Na wale kwa kukero ati nejoyeni na mamua afafawa. Tiugo mvulu kwa dawo kinga. But I'm just loving. Na tiende mwani support ya be. Maugo ni moki ke maige. Na magime mega na magime mo. Even when I lost my daddy, you have been there. Nile kwenda kuhurere kuhirwega. Na sigo hizo siario ni Reverend. Gayaro mutoria. Gayaro mutopia. Gayaro mradimea family share. Gayaro ya maigori kuraigo. Jikorokia haya my brother ngajiko todo ima mushi. Dona kafuria fafa fresh. Nekwenda kakweoria kario huko. You know, it was in me. Kario huko. Nona how they need to do kwa kaza kario ya kukwenda nako. Don't need you upon. Not to Gayaroni the Victoria. I accept and thank you for supporting us as a family. Don't be like a family. Regina Mena Ben told me my very, very close buddies. Let my brother pass here. Dear Regina, head of Asia. Italy was a Safaricom. Now I've been doing the program. Gibra to Asia to get was a Safaricom. They took it. They make it Yahina. They get my brother. Tony Drake was on me. We thought we were going to get the last year at the Kefa. Don't need to make a make brother. I don't want to acquire you. Don't need to out. I don't right. No, but material. I just don't like the brother. Go whatever I do about the Kajitra here. Hey, Mamia, Kajitra, right? Go what material break. Not only did we I was feeling let me buy my brother. Na tuwesha kwa na tuwa family. Na dadi musiki kwa mami na Regina Mario mami na adora Mario a family ne mai kalenda na makafaka na yenya ore ngo bona rege kiro hau mucie na my brother ko kio hau na makirika ni asaji msio kama muibio go to de duara na to era maundu manene tuko marutako koko ni akoma ni ugo temusema ni nini wali wake mera maheni. My brother will be buried with a lot of respect. Todo ini ni moja kile la roga. Diko na kweli. Omo ndo ya history na ndo mashara ni wala. Neko my brother oyo ndo history yake. Gira mami ndo history yako na my brother. Ni dikwenda akufanio. Todo timondo ale muru neko warahawali. All right? Na mungu alikuwa ndekekane. Family to Ramai before I say what I want to say. If you are here near my family, stand up, kaya. Omo introduce wito timondo waragi kai ni nemo ikinya ebele yake. Umane microphone na kowa. Kai. Wala tele. Nitaanza na the immediate. Adora mtaki kuna family to team we are 6 of us. Born 6, 4 born, 5 boys, 1 girl. Okay? First born Nyabukie 1997. My old brother, we are first born. Abukie 1997. I was in secondary school. Na alatuita musie ni moyo mtumia raweka kwa Wanyambura. No mtumia wake. A woman that I honor so much. Tondulea my brother kuile na tigirwo twana twetu nini au ile dakahika agikara wito ona ndimutaga bro na akerera twana twake wito na nigo turoragira aciari itu muno na twana tu twatigirwo 1997 ni gaka na gaka. So this is my mom Nyambura Thoga. This is Beth Thoga. 97 Beth, how old were you? 7 years. Nyambura, how old were you? 9 years. Kwa my brother atiga twana twake tetolini na mutumia wake ndari magwito is still there. Rusho na mukuru second born there was your aguki. All right? Nena twana twigana totatu nditwirika guthikara ake kamwe. You remember? Kwa tigete tuiretu tuire kama geka wako wale kule maraturaga na mena mashaka yako and the other one is at home. That boy ni my only sister na mategeria mucie kuikara na mukuru toronda mwili one no ndiramona na maitho mega no muthuri wake haha for my sister tumetaka kuga very supportive gwito no muto muno ano iba no aguka tono ikitie maisi tumukinya kahora tono ni mutho na ni mutho ni oh yes aliona twana twake twingi no ni ukire na kamwe then to wa muihari no ni wenda wa muiwe hai
uliagani wothe itagwo togo mwaigua ni ndakwire sister yake o ile mwe yalikuwa utiari giki na kile kuwa akabehereria nitigo matari rĩu no ndĩmũcokerie ngatho mũno makĩria nĩ ũndũ wa gũtũnyitĩrĩra gwĩkara mũtũnyitagĩrĩra hĩndĩ ya maibara akue no mwatũnyitĩrĩire na nĩ njiguaga no mũrathiĩ na different James here and there. Thank you very much nĩ ũndũ wa gũtũnyitagĩrĩra.
Thank you David. Asante Wambui. You may have your seat. Rĩu kuma hau hebra ũngĩwĩka gwa mako Michael Broikaragia mami kule gicagi na mutumia wake ni muwi ona twana ndiwi kana ni itowe tutilia tumwana leo wiki na mundu alikuwa kinya miaka 50 ni oragio kiuria No. Imoja no mugera mo legi. Caro. Mugera mo home. My father, no he is taking care of my family so well. How and my brother Joseph, the comedian, that was with that. The Jina way, never there, Fafa Ije. He is not merciful at all. My brother is not merciful at all. I will let him on the way. Bro. Nyamoka. Jebo ya baba ko. Akeja. Adiye. Jebo ya o. Keja ya ko kie. Talk to the window. Talk to the window. Jebo ya which window? Akeja your mother. You are now an orphan. That is him. I remember that is him. Kemudian terkata, hey, apa aja? Mana kita jangan mukul. Kemudian, akhirnya, gimana? Hanya kita bilang sih. Gue tidak lihat Korea ni. Kemudian bro, you mean my dad is no more? Kau tak nikah? You are now an orphan? My brother, please. No, my brother, you know what it is. And he is good. He is coordinating everything at home. With the father, with the other, he is doing everything at home. Then you have Misho, Wito, and these are my second bonds. They are twins, Vincent and Victor. Na nikoli first born Rington kwa adisi mwena mwadhani ni maramenyorea hidi odasi ya tonya mtoto diari keto idile yali kilomita inyanya nenyo mwakora gira kijana na hemu kujia wajuri arasi ya raihi ayere yate kwa hidi ya rwagima. How old are you? 14 years. How old are you? We are going 15. So, and the mama yake, they have just left to go home. Twageti woko. My brother, Peter was very tough. That's for 2 minutes. Very tough. Nane encourage ado itomana ni shukuru. Because you are in the Makiaga to Kuru. Come, Monica, campaign, Siamrana, you know you are there. If they are Kiana Nativa, where I go, Nitala, Padawa, Pakiano, Amat, in it be, Napari, Nisapi, Savia Yamativa. My brother Katimo is in the Papa, Tolva Yamativa. Asa Bogaramativa, Namato Bagan, Nissan. Nakamai Blana Raka to Kiki Bagan, Nita. Dalamuni, no day you are making an half Mole. Goza. Papa Kawa, Nisafi. Nakamai brother Kamara, Neku. Nakamai brother Neta, Papa Kawa, Remo. Makabisa na one day Fafa Kimu ya ati nadakana sokepo. And that is how my brother left Yesagia Yokanayo. Aliye kwa weta kukawa kwa Elisho ndiye Yokanayo fi damo kolile ena matatu ena gari yake emudu very prosperous. Wanakeke gatu. Wananika tunaenda kushina na ino ndele kwa bibili. So when I came to Nairobi, nani ndio kile na dayo, papa yoma na matatu wake ila kikole ndo kima makorako. Nani ndio kwa kwake? Ajima. When my brother amenienda Nairobi, mena my sister na muthuri wake, they supported me so much. Nebika na kaka kabere da holide kaye tikabere kero todo shubisha kerekuru dawa ni kaye eyuyu galia bere kuntabuka ya kaye 231 q damutwari ya hali ya ukarawira kawa kwa gimuya avoko magenayo Monday gabigira Saturday kwa yini gabigira kuiganithia nayo sabi no ni hata hago maita mengi gukira uria twakoragwo nayo tondu yari yake yathii na my brother ona ngiathukumire ngiri nicio atikaririe so when I did Nairobi ni ateithie financially o nginya riria taxi cieheririo ni Uber my brother akoragwo na ngari yakwa na ciake na ya kazi yake Lidia peri kono ulikane Tuelifaro ulidaro walie Ngikoma Kenyatta hakuhi mwaka Niudwa tuberculosis Gihoro masida nota magana manana Lidia dami sa pinge ni paroli Mundu ya wanyo niye Dena meshumo uwokivi Anya nile kawa bware kwa my brother Ayokani paroli ya kirano Mwana keo ya wamatu Toni wadu manjita Kama umantu ni ati na korea korabo my brother ndio aikaraga na ndiye moroa my brother ndio anivise takati vitani ndiye moroa I have a long history with this great brother ginara na hongire our days I jamina ajoroge makenya tikiro so haso so haya simba senta kama kakawa kwa leo kaka ni osuru na idara wewe mako na Yesu tu osuru every day ana mwana kilo niko joke mwili until down here I have a history and a good one with this man if all the na tona toto ni toi tutia hota kuinuka kisaki mungu kisaki kale ni adibeba my brother anataka kalisi yake siode toka kuo nageka shopping na tukana yote ya kunegere muthe twakinya gicaki that is how good this man has been to me and to us to cut the long story short do you know the irony I even don't know but brother Daniel Nadia one day gewole modi motor remoi au mtukata yo hakuti tutio hode ya kuona na brother ya kunezi possible ukiona marona na muno karangu leke moikara we brother yako ne vimo ule ko deko one day geworo himu ya atake na kukawa kwa kile your brother ni hatakate disturbed please no kio monitor ukiwa ndesa by the way give my brother he is not okay ona timothe kurani moyo na ya doero magege yake kwa hanini ni umenyaga dimokora ndari sawa dimulia pekea kejira ni pesa na jona hizo okay geshoka family ni gemera my brother hayuko sawa and that when I never can you remember ni kama miaka ngapi 4 or 5 years close to 5 years Nego kwa beli yero gendo wakora what is the problem Todoro kama na dekwaria anakalia mno kana kabeli ya gudua ngoko na kani na daikani dia yero and we started a journey ya psychiatrist kumora what is the problem to realize the way dio dinagari yake itiro por asialie utiri mudo wa moria danaja family yake na disintegrate kidogo tokio tope tutio concentrate na madhina mashioi to concentrate na mwili wake and we started a journey with a psychiatrist in Kawamoa akiabiria treatment magetora de depression mama kiwa depression we did the thing tokio moma madare Akimodima, akimora bisha, akikaskans, everything. Ni kemera mundo ne tiko inake huko. makihingũrĩrwo mũrango wendera makihingũrĩrwo mũrango wa andũ arĩa gũkũ rĩu nĩ kũrendwo gũkũ biũ harĩ ũramunya rũgiri harĩ ũramaiga igũrũ harĩ ũrahũga ũrĩa ũngĩ harĩ ũrenja irima ndagĩtarĩ agĩtũria ũkwenda kũmũtiga narĩ ndawa my brother Jonathan my brother is our tondũ rĩu mũndũ atwarwo mathare ndũkanecirie ũguo stay with your person that place is not good and rĩu tũkĩambĩrĩria treatment ĩakagĩkũ yĩithĩka hũraino my brother kwĩciria mbica iria ciothe ahũrĩtwo nĩ tondũ mũndũ ahũragwo arĩ wiki even the last session Regina you know twathiĩ Mũrang'a scan ya mtwe akani ahũrwo agĩthũri and unfortunately doctors will come out and tell you hatuoni kitu brain is okay no I imagine my brother akomete na dararia pressure yake A120/70 that tells you he is normal sukari wake we normal but darokira na dararia no harĩa gokĩra akamũrora ũguo ikare tarerarĩ Mũrang'a 2 days agĩkĩrwo maĩ we thought he is gone the following day agĩũkĩra na akĩdischarge na akĩinũka na agĩikara thĩ na agĩtũmĩrwo video my brother aikairio ũguo the following day he is gone no one can understand life only God na nĩkaingĩ mwĩrĩ thĩna ũrĩ gũka kũraya ũtendero ũrĩ gũka atĩa niĩ nginya andũ arĩa mathiaga kwao ndingĩmoria kĩũria makorwo magĩetha solution I don't mean you go but ũtendero ũngĩũka atĩa wandĩkagĩrwo list nĩ mbũri he koima he mĩruru he kĩagaranu he ikenge the many things I have the many things we have tried to do to save our soul niĩ ndĩhĩte nginya mathirĩ make twĩna rĩtino ĩyo na mbere nditangĩtũka mwĩkĩra ngurubu ĩno tiyo ya mbere tondũ ego nĩ arĩ na thirĩ wa ngari agakĩna akamũria my brother nĩguo auga ugania geragĩria nĩtũrĩhe nĩ kĩcigana nĩite nĩ 50 ũgakinya nginya ũkoria mami we mũthuri wone arakuire warĩ mũgũre amajiri kũrĩ mamũ warĩ mũgũre akĩrie biũ tondũ no kũmathĩra tikĩronekana mamu wanyu kana ũgakinya handũ nginya ũkoria mamu wanyu direct akanithota ningĩ kaĩ gũkiuraga mũndũ ndĩrathiĩ gũtũra na athuri a Gĩkũyũ maũndũ mangĩ nĩmekwendaga marorwo wega atĩ arĩtwo nĩ thota thota cia mamu wanyu na mũndũ ũrakwĩra ũguo ũkoretwo ũguo direct atĩ he macuka mana no ũretha maũndũ macio tondũ rĩrĩ ũrarigwo atĩrĩrĩ ti thibitarĩ ti ndawa ti macindano ti psychiatrist I have done everything possible but your brother is going down and down and down